This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing tools and dampening the hair so fibers relax. This reduces breakage. Once done, divide the hair into manageable sections and clip away what you are not working on. You'll start at the ends because hair tangles tighten toward the root. Gently loosen knots with your fingers before using the wide-tooth comb. Move slowly. Rushing creates smaller knots. Make sure to keep the strands supported near the knot so tension doesn't pull at the scalp. You now focus on the complex middle work. Take 1 to 2 inch subsection and finger tease any major tangles first. Then mist again with conditioner so the comb glides. This decreases snagging and split ends. Once fingers have loosened the knot, move the wide-tooth comb from ends upward in short strokes while supporting the root to protect the scalp. If resistance appears, stop, re-wet, and re-finger detangle. Forcing the comb will cause breakage. Repeat until the subsection is. You finish by smoothing each freed section and trimming any frayed ends to prevent future tangles. Allow the hair to dry naturally to retain shape. Once dry, reform any looser locks with gentle palm rolling or light twisting so they blend with your freeform pattern. If you encounter a severe mat, soak that area overnight in diluted conditioner. Then separate carefully with your fingers rather than the comb. This method reduces breakage and preserves the natural texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.